This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Powerful windstorm is headed towards United Kingdom on Wednesday, January the 14th, 2015. Winds are going to be very strong. It's going to gust up to over 100 kilometers per hour in Great Britain and the United Kingdom, especially in London, the United Kingdom, in Birmingham, United Kingdom as well. Since a powerful low pressure system is going to move north of the United Kingdom, it's going to trigger powerful winds in the United Kingdom. The same powerful windstorm will also hit Denmark and Ireland as well, and Scotland as well. It's going to be very strong winds capable of knocking out power and bringing down power lines and snapping tree branches in half, especially on Wednesday evening, on Wednesday, January the 14th, 2015. Winds are going to be very strong. It's going to be big waves crash along the shores of, on the coastal areas in the United Kingdom and Ireland and those places. The places like London, England, Edinburgh, Scotland, Inverness, Scotland, Birmingham, United Kingdom as well. It's going to bring very strong winds. It's going to be powerful winds come from the west direction. It's going to bring power lines down. People, United Kingdom, be prepared. Have your flashlights ready. Have your candles ready. Have your crank-up radio ready. Have your extra batteries ready. Because winds are going to be very strong in the United Kingdom, especially in London, United Kingdom. The same powerful windstorm will also hit northern France, Denmark as well. When you go for a walk, don't walk too far. Since winds are going to be very powerful in the United Kingdom on Wednesday, January the 14th, 2015. Watch out for fallen tree branches and fallen power lines. The same powerful windstorm capable of knocking out power in the United Kingdom, especially in London and Birmingham, UK as well. Most of the winds will take on Wednesday evening in the United Kingdom. If you have anybody living in the United Kingdom, stay away from the beaches and don't go near the shores, since waves will be very big along the coastal areas in the United Kingdom, Ireland and Scotland. If you have anybody living in the United Kingdom, be prepared for a powerful windstorm on Wednesday. Best of luck to you. People in the United Kingdom, be prepared for a powerful windstorm on Wednesday. Take care, stay safe. Don't get caught in the windstorm. Stay safe.